Hi, this is Chinmayi speaking to you from Deep Skin Dialogues, Hyderabad. At Deep Skin Dialogues, we have a whole range of exclusive, tailor-made MediFacials that are available only here. Since all of these are our signature treatments, you will find some combinations only available at our clinics both in Chennai and in Hyderabad. Today we have had Mr. Manas, who's a lovely gentleman, come into our clinic and try out one of our signature facials. The Zainobaji range of MediFacials are world-renowned, especially for its efficacy and its brilliant effects on our skin. Considering it has been tailor-made by Dr. Zainobaji, these set of facials are much beloved across the world. At Deep Skin Dialogues, we are also combining it with some of our signature tweaks, so you will actually come in and leave with brilliant, lovely, youthful looking skin.
Hi, this is Manas Nagulpalli. Just got to visit Deep Skin Dialogues today and had an advanced brightening facial. It was a wonderful experience. Do visit. Thank you.